Median is nothing but the middle value which divides the distribution into two equal parts. In this video, we are going to learn how to find median for the given question. Already we know that data are of three kinds. One is raw data, another one is discrete, the last one is continuous data. First we will see the formula one by one. Median for discrete data is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Median for continuous data is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. This sum is the example of raw data. Count the number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here n equal to 7. Median means we should arrange the data in ascending or descending order. I am going to arrange the data in ascending order, which is the smallest number among this number 20. The next number is 21. Next number is 27. The next number is 28. The next one is 38. Next is 39. The next one is 49. Count the number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Without using the formula, we are going to find the median. Okay, first we arrange the data in ascending order. First I am going to strike out the first number as well as the last number. Next step, strike out the second number, then previous of the last one. Strike out the third number and the previous of the second one. Here, now we find that the 28 is the middle number. Already we know that median is the middle value. Therefore, median is equal to 28. This is the answer. This is the shortcut way to find the median. This sum also raw data. Here count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n equal to 6, which is an even number. Now we are going to learn how to find a median for the even number of data. As it is, arrange the number in ascending order, which is the smallest number. 20 is the smallest number. First write 20. The next one is 28. The next one is 39. The next one is 41. The next one is 45. The next one is 46. Again check the number. Here there are 6 numbers. How to find the middle value of the even number of data? Okay, we will see one by one. First strike out the first number as well as last number. Second, strike out the second number as well as the previous of the last one. Here if I strike out 39 and 41, there is no middle value. Therefore, these two numbers are middle value. 39 and 41 are middle value. Then how to find median? Median is nothing but the average of the middle value. If n is even, median is nothing but the average of the two middle number. Median is equal to, the middle numbers are 39 plus 41. How to find average? Average is nothing but mean. How to find median? Mean for raw data, sigma x by n. This is sigma x means adding the two number divided by n is what? 1, 2, two numbers. Therefore, sigma x by n formula used. Median for even number of data is equal to average of the middle number. Therefore, I am adding the two number divided by 2. Adding the number 9 plus 1 is 10. 80 by 2. What is 80 by 2? 40. Therefore, median is equal to 40 is the answer. Okay. This number is the example of discrete data. First we should arrange the number in ascending order for the first row. First number is 8, second one is 6. 8 is big number, 6 is small number. Then again big number, again big number. Then this is not in ascending order. I am going to arrange the data in ascending order. I am going to form a tabular column also. First smallest number for the row 1 is 6. 6 frequency is 11. Next big number is 8. 8 frequency is 26. Next big number is 10. 10 frequency is 27. Next one is 12. 12 frequency is 32. Next big number is 14. 14 frequency is 31. Next big number is 16. 16 frequency is 12. Next one is 18. 18 frequency is 15. Next big number is 20. 20 frequency is 7. column we should find the cumulative frequency. CF means cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? First write the frequency as it is 11. Next adding 11 plus 26. 11 plus 26 is nothing but 37. Then 37 plus 27. 37 plus 27 is equal to 64. 64 plus 32 which is 96. 96 plus 31 which is equal to 127. 127 plus 12 which is 139. 139 plus 15 which is 154. 154 plus 7 which is 161. First we are going to find n. N is nothing but the total frequency. Here what is the total frequency? Adding the second column we will get 161. Here CF for the last data is 161. This is our n. N is 161. We know that median for formula for discrete data is n plus 1 by 2. N is 161 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 162 divided by 2 which is equal to 81. In the cumulative frequency column, you check the number which one is greater than 81. 11 is less than 81, 37 is less than 81, 64 is less than 81, but 96 is greater than 81. We circle this row. Therefore, median is nothing but our 12. Median equal to 12. This sum is the example for continuous data. Here we are going to form a table first. The first column is our class interval, second column is our frequency, third column is as it is cumulative frequency. Okay, write the first number 0 to 5. This is the first interval, second one is 5 to 10. Here we should check that whether it is a true class limit or not. Here the upper limit is 5. The second one, lower limit is 5. Both should be equal. Otherwise, we should modify the data. Here both are equal. Therefore, no need to modify the data. Second number is 10 to 15. Next one is 15 to 20. Next one is 20 to 25. 25 to 30. Write the corresponding frequency 7, 8, 6, 4, 9, 6. Here upper limit is 5, lower limit is 5. Here also upper one is 10, lower limit is 10. They are equal. This is the true class limit, therefore no need to modify the data. Okay, first we find the cumulative frequency first. Write the first frequency as it is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40, which is our total frequency, that is our n. Before using the formula, we must find the median class. How to find median class? Our n is equal to total frequency is 40. N by 2 is equal to 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. We should check which number is greater than 20 in the CF column. 7 is less than 20, 15 is less than 20, 21 is greater than 20. Therefore, I put a box over there, which is our median class. Median class is 10 to 15. Okay. The lower limit is 10. Therefore, this is our L. L is equal to 10. In the median class, corresponding frequency of the class interval is 6. Therefore, F equal to 6. Then M is the CF value of the median class. That is before the median class, that is 15. C is nothing but the class interval. Class interval means upper limit minus lower limit. 5 minus 0 is 5. The second also 10 minus 5 is 5. 15 minus 10 is 5. Therefore, the class interval is 5. What is the median formula? Median formula is L plus N by 2 minus M by F into C. Substituting the value, L is the lower limit of the median class, that is 10. N by 2 is nothing but 20. M is equal to 15. Frequency is 6. Class interval is 5. First we simplify the bracket term. 20 minus 15 is 5. 5 5s are 25. What is 25 by 6? 25 by 6, using the help of calculator, I found that 4.17. Adding 10 plus 4.17, which is equal to 14.17. This is the median for the given question. Thank you, students.